Tneja Umoto. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a shit comment below, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I'm popping another video. Guys, today's video I just wanted to give you an update for those ones who are watching or are following my dreadlocks. So you know guys, your girl Tneja Umoto, she's on a mission of growing her dreadlocks, guys. As you can tell, my dreadlocks are really growing, so I'm trying to keep you updated, posting videos on how I'm going through on a journey of growing these dreadlocks. In case you're somebody out there, you want to grow your dreadlocks like myself, I don't know nothing about dreadlocks. This is my first time, my first time to start growing dreadlocks on my hair. The reason why I did that is because I'm tired of wigs, guys. I wear wigs. I'm tired of wearing wigs and braiding for now. So I said I need to switch a little bit, you know, and start something that is gonna be quick for me to kind of go because I'm a go person, you know, understand what I mean? So that's why I decided to change my hairstyle. So I'm growing my dreadlocks, and these dreadlocks were encouraged by some of my friends, like, go ahead and do it, girl, you can do it. Of course, my hair, for those ones who have watched my hair is very, the porosity of my hair, I don't even know the type of my hair, but it's very soft hair, very tiny and soft and not even full in there. So you can go ahead to my channel and watch the journey of my hair. So today I'm gonna give you the 3-month journey. So my dreadlocks has been here for actually 3 months. I did the first video of 3 weeks, if you want to go there and check it, and then I did my first retwisting, my first month retwisting. I did that video. There is also there, and go see how first month how my hair was looking, 3 weeks how my hair was looking, first month how my hair was looking, and now this is the 3rd month and this is the growth. So I'm gonna move closer so y'all can see the growth of the 3rd month, because I am planning to go this week for my hair to be retwisted. So that will be my 2nd retwisting. So you can tell my hair has lots of growth, guys. You can tell the hair has grown so much. Let me move my camera so you guys can be able to see closer. See? Yes. Can you see the growth is real? Look at the growth in there. The growth is in there, and I'm glad my hair is locking. As you guys can tell, it's really locking. Look at that. This is the growth from here to here. And this is the 3rd month. My hair, when I did the first dreadlocks, as you can tell, you're gonna see there. If you go check the 3 weeks, you can see how my hair was not even in my head. It was so scarcity, spaces everywhere. You know, I was so mad. I'm like, what did I do to myself? So you can tell, guys, the growth is real, and it's getting longer. As you can tell, look at that. My hair is getting long, and you can see the lock. My hair is locking, and this is how the 3 months dreadlocks looks like, for those ones who don't know. So I'm just being natural here. I just want to take you to the journey. Nothing here, you know, it's just me with my hair. And my hair, as I've told you guys, is a very tiny, spacious and soft hair. You know, it's not even type B, I don't know, you know, it's not cozy hair. My hair is the kind of hair that you can comb with your fingertips. Literally, you can comb my hair with your fingers. I don't even a comb for my hair. That's how fine. And then when I started to do these dreadlocks, my friends, I was kind of skeptical with my hair. They were like, even the loctician who does my hair, I have one beautiful lady locticians. Actually, not even one. There's so many, and I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna show you a video of their shop. Guys, if you happen to live in Arlington, Texas, That's where this salon is located in. These beautiful ladies, there's a bunch of beautiful ladies in there. Some of them come from different countries, Ghana, Nigeria, and some of them they come from where is that country? So it's a bunch of ladies, but I'm gonna put a video of their salon so that you know how. And in there, they do all different kinds of styles. Any style you want, you go in there, you tell them, I want dreadlocks, sister locks, whatever lock, whatever, straight hair, whatever you want, anything, braids, all different kinds of braids they do for you. So this is where I go, and they retwist my hair. So that's where I'm gonna go back. But now I just wanted to give you just a quick update of my 3-month dreadlocks, how they look like. And so far I'm loving it so much, guys. As you can tell, it's getting fuller, you know. The first month and the second month I was skeptical. I was about to cut it because I didn't want to even, I was like, what in the world did I do to my hair? But now as they keep growing, I'm kind of loving it so much. And yes, guys, I do wash my hair. So you know, some people say, oh, dreadlocks, you don't wash your hair. I do wash your hair. I don't wash my hair regularly, but I do wash my locks. And when I wash my locks, for example, I can wash in 2 weeks. I can wash one time because you don't want to wash your hair like all the time. I do wash hair with soap. I don't want to use shampoos because I don't want to use those detangles shampoo, because if you use detangle shampoo, they're going to detangle your locks and you want your locks to lock. And then the way I take care of my locks and the way my hair is really growing, and I'm loving this, guys. I am still using my wild growth. This is the thing that I go in there. Yes, I do go in there, guys, and I put my oil in there all the time. I can put this like pretty much every day before I go to work in the morning. This is what I do. However, whenever I go to work, I'm still wearing my wigs. Nobody at work knows that I have dreadlocks, okay? So as long as my hair, but I'm just gonna start maybe after 6 months. At least now my dreadlocks will be full and long. I will be able and comfortable to go to work with these dreadlocks like this. But for now, 3 months in, I'm still wearing my wigs inside my dreadlocks, okay? So I'm kind of hiding them because they're a little bit kind of I'm not comfortable yet, right, guys? I'm just being serious here. So yeah, I put my wild growth oil, guys, and if you want, I'm gonna put a link of this where you can get this. And sometimes I exchange with this black castor oil right here. It's from Jamaica, black castor oil. So I go in between this. I mix this one, I mix this one. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use this. And this is what it's making my dreadlocks grow like crazy. My hair is just growing and I'm loving it so much. It's getting fuller, it's growing. So guys, if you're struggling with the hair growth, you want your hair to grow, these are the products, the oils that I recommend for you. Wild growth, and I'm gonna put a description. And this one, Jamaican castor oil. This one will make your hair grow. And if you're going to start dreadlocks, if you have the first time you're going to start, I'm recommending you to start with this one. This is the starter. This is a locking firm wax. This is what they use to retwist my locks. So whenever I go there, they tell you to go buy this one. It's just like $3 or $5, something like that. So you go to a beauty shop. I think it's $5.99 or something. So you go to a beauty shop and you buy this. And then when you go there, they use this to retwist or lock your hair. So whenever I go to retwisting, for example, now when I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna go with this one so they can retwist my locks for the 3 months, okay? And another thing that I use for my dreadlocks, really, I use this one. It's called Locks and Braids Form Control. This is a form control. It comes in a form of a form. Let me show you. It's a form. So what I do like this, and then you kind of go to your dreadlocks to kind of make your dreadlocks hold your dreadlocks. And let me read what it says here. It seals and set brand, stop braiding, flaying, and no flaking, fast drying, long lasting hold. So it dries your dreadlocks, it holds it, no fleecing, no flaying, so it helps your locks to all to stand firm and for long lasting. You can use it even for your cornrows and twisting. For those ones who are doing cornrows and twisting, this is a good product. So whenever you have dreadlocks, you must have this product. You must have this one here and this one here for your hair growth, and Jamaican castor oil. This is what it's taking. And another thing that I am doing there, let me see where I put it. Another thing that I am really using it is, another thing I'm using that I am using magic. This is coconut water. This is just water. You can as well use regular water. It doesn't matter, but I'm using coconut water to kind of spray my hair, because you know my hair, my scalp, it needs water sometimes, my hair, because I feel like when you spray water, it helps the locks to kind of get fuller, you know, that full texture that you need. You see, you kind of spray water in there, and it helps, because sometimes you don't wash. When we don't wash these dreadlocks so much, they need water, you know, your skin needs water. So this is what I do. And again, you can use the regular water, as I said, but I prefer to use coconut water for hydration and mist. You know, it doesn't matter. The reason, and again, and I'm using this because sometimes I use this coconut water to spray on my face, or whenever I'm doing my makeup, so I spray it first before I start doing my makeup. So I feel like when I'm using it, I'm spraying it to on my hair and my locks. So this is hydrating coconut oil. So if you want to buy this one, I'm gonna put a link there for you too if you want to use it for your dreadlocks. So yeah, that's what I'm using for my dreadlocks, for those ones who are asking. And please keep following my journey, because I'll be updating you. So when I'm gonna do this for 3 months locks, I think at the next time I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do maybe 5 or 6 months, so that it can get fuller. So I'm gonna give you another update very soon. So you never know, I may give you 4 months or 5 months or 6 months. So I'll make another video. So keep following my journey. Let's grow these dreadlocks. This is real natural dreadlocks. Let's just grow them and let's see how they go. Let's see if we can manage them, you know. And guys, if you have dreadlocks out there, if you're growing dreadlocks, I don't know anything about dreadlocks, please comment below. Give me some encouragement, give me some tips, give me some insight. Tell me how I'm taking these things. Do you think, and I'm gonna challenge you guys, my fans, what do you think of my dreadlocks? What do you think? Do you think I should keep them or should cut them, or do you think I should continue? Do I look even, what do I say? Do I look even better, good, beautiful with dreadlocks? Let me know, guys. You know, you're the one who tells me. Let me know if I should continue with this dreadlocks thing, or I should cut my hair, or I should continue with my wigs. Again, I'm gonna keep updating you with my wigs, new wigs that I'm getting. You know, I'm gonna start updating you how to take care of your wigs. I'm still gonna be wearing my wigs because my dreadlocks are still small. So don't worry for those ones who keep watching my wig videos. Wig videos are coming, beauty is coming, you know, vlogging is coming, vlogging is coming. I love to travel, so I'm gonna start traveling soon and showing you all the different kinds of things that I do on my channel. So guys, thank you so much for those ones who have joined my membership. And if you have not joined, please go ahead and hit that joining button right there on my YouTube channel and join the membership. Support the channel, guys, and comment and share my videos. And I love you so much, and I wish you well. Keep coming, keep watching, and thank you for your support. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.